Hello and welcome back to IndianExpress.com. We are here to talk about Bigg Boss November 23rd episode. So it was a luxury task. The entire house was converted into gold digging, mine. And what happened exactly during the luxury task?
Actually, it was luxury cum captaincy task, and to continue with his captaincy, Rohan had to convince other housemates to convince the contestants of the house
To perform really well
to
in the
help
task.
him and dig out as much gold as they can. But Lopamudra and Manoj Punjabi have been given a secret task which they are not able to keep a secret. They tell everybody that we have a task very very prominently, like Lopamudra performs a dance for Rohan, but Rohan is very smart to know that Lopa is doing
course.
every of this only to do something secret.
So do you think that when it comes to secret task or when it comes to any creative task, it is the celebrity group which does well, but somewhere the commoners lag behind that?
I think so, but yesterday, I don't know. I can't say much about it because yesterday it was Lopamudra who failed in the task.
Okay.
She made it quite evident that I have been given a secret task. I'm up for something.
True.
And later she was even in two minds that whether I should ditch my friend Rohan or not, or should I do this or should I not do this. Even Manoj was pissed off with Lopamudra since she was not performing it. So we can't say that whether it is celebrities or commoners who are good at secret tasks. You can't compare both of them.
But I heard that Swami Om was was irking the housemates again. So what was the entire episode?
Yeah, actually, this time Swami Om can be called innocent because it was Nithiba who irked Swami Om.
Okay.
He was doing just the task. Yeah, he was too involved in the task that he was not ready to get up from the gold digging mine. But Nithiba just went on to tell him that you are this, you are that, you call women with different names, or you talk ill about women. But Swami Om being Swami Om again goes ahead with calling Sunny Leone now his beti. He has made Sunny Leone also his beti. And Nithiba later on even fought with Rohan that why is he supporting Swami Om, but he was actually not doing it. So I think Nithiba did all of this only to hog limelight. Since she is nominated and she does not know that she will not be evicted from the house, that is why she was doing all this.
But if you go by the nominations, if it were existing, do you think that Nithiba had the chance to go this time?
Yeah, majorly. Like more chances were of Nithiba only because Manveer is a strong contender. Nobody would have voted him out. Yeah, it would have been a tough fight between I think Nithiba and Rahul Dev, because since Rahul Dev is not performing well
At all, I must say. But having said that, in the previous nominations task, I think he did really well being Swami Om.
Yeah,
He
his
did
acting and
extremely
his get-up, it was very well.
His actor
Even
side
Sunny Leone
up.
was impressed with whatever he did.
Exactly.
So now we'll see tomorrow what will happen next and who will win the captaincy task in the Bigg Boss house. And we'll also see Rahul Dev losing his cool. Now see what Swami Om does to make him lose his temper. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.